Hi everybody, it's Marla from marlameridith.com, and today I am cooking up a pantry item only Tex Mex mac and cheese. I know a lot of us are running out of perishable goods in this crazy time that we're all going through, so now it's time to dive into the pantry.
All you're going to need for this recipe is a pound of Velveeta, pasta, corn, rotel, olives, and some seasonings. First up, bring the water to a boil and cook the pasta. While the pasta is cooking, simply pop open all those cans. Drain the liquids out. Open up the Velveeta and chop it into 1-inch cubes. Place the canned ingredients into a 12-inch cast iron skillet and put the heat on medium-high. Let them cook for about 5 minutes, then start adding your seasonings. Reserve 1/2 cup of the pasta cooking liquid. Drain the pasta. Pour that reserved pasta water into the canned vegetable mixture. Mix it around real well, then add all that creamy Velveeta. Mix it all up again. Then fold in the cooked pasta. And look at all of that deliciousness from prep to table in just about 25 minutes. Serve it up nice and hot.
Okay, so as you guys can see, it took hardly any effort to get this pasta ready. Boom, there it is, ready for your family in 20 to 30 minutes. Let's try it. Ready? Oh my gosh, it smells so good. That is delicious. Remember to stay safe and stay at home.
Whatever you can't finish, go ahead and put away in the fridge for next time.